Finding mushrooms by boat. Unknown location in northern Missouri. Scott can pick these things out for the boat. I can't even see them. Oh, nice. I was looking at the wrong sycamore tree. Ain't that the sycamore tree down there you originally saw them by?
Yeah, that one.
That one? Okay.
There's another one down there. It was over there, but they were all around.
Well, go look, see if there's more around it. I'll hold the boat. You already buy it.
I did, didn't I? I didn't think it was that far. Hell, I can't see them from up here. Oh, there it is. Ah. Yeah, it's dried up like crazy.
So, see no other ones around?
Yeah, he's right there. He's the biggest. Kind of moldy. There was 2 of them though.
Yeah, we're getting old and moldy. What the hell?
Right? Old and moldy. Alright, coming on. Alright, ready?
Can you get on? Let me come and get the mushrooms
Oh,
out.
good. Push out.
Push out. Ready? Okay.
Ready?
Yep. That'd been funny. We got a good wet accident there. They wouldn't have lasted another day or two, would they?